Okay, we are doing a review and initial test of these little suction cup dent pullers that I got. Came as a 3-pack. There are 2 of these little guys, and this one big one. The little ones are 2+ inches diameter. The big one's a little over 4, I think. Got to say, the plastic construction of both of these handles on this little one, plastic construction does not inspire confidence. I don't know. I suppose if you got a tiny enough dent or something you need to pull, or a tiny piece of glass that you need to pick up or something, might work, but not going to use that one for here. We're going to try to pull this dent out of our Tahoe that I put in there myself, unfortunately. So we're going to use the bigger one. The plastic on here, it feels a lot meatier, so I think it's strong enough that the suction will let go before the handle does. So you put it on with the handle down, and then when you raise the handle up, damn wasp. That's what caused me to put that dent in the Tahoe. Getting away from the wasp. Anyway, so I've already cleaned this off. We're gonna put this on and see how it works. So right about here, I think, is the center of the dent. I tried to get on the back side and push this out, but there's the rear AC is on the back side of this body panel, so you can't get to it. So we'll put this on, pull that up, and give it a pull. Holy cow. That's amazing. It let go by itself at just the right time. Perfectly smooth out here. We still got just a little bit of dent down here as we're closer to the crease. And maybe I will use the little one for that. Again, open the handle up. I'm looking at the contours of the reflection there. Put that right about there. Let's see what this does. Better. I think we got enough of a crease there. I maybe should have heated that up with the gun before I did that. But anyway, I think, in general, these little guys are worth the minimal amount of money that you have to spend to get them. I'm pretty happy with it, and I'll definitely keep it around. Get yourself some.